What's going on, guys? Welcome to Tech World Vlogs and Tesla. Today I'm reviewing ways to improve your audio. So if you're a content creator, this will be a great video to watch so you can improve your audio, get the best audio in your content. So if you're new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think of this product here. On this channel, I review all the latest tech products. I do vloggings on this channel, as well as I do some reviews for the Tesla Model Y accessories. So getting right into it, this is the DJI mic. DJI mic has been out for almost 8 months now, and it is one of the most popular wireless mic on the market. There is so many competitors out there, but DJI stands out from the functionality, design, and the quality. Today I made the investment to get this audio mic, which is going to enhance the audio that comes into my video. There's so many great features of having great audio, but I want to show you guys why I've been testing this here, why I'm really in love with this DJI mic. So right out of the box, you do get this bag here when you purchase the DJI mic, and something that's cool about it is that you get this beautiful DJI logo, but everything is in this case. So there is not a lot of storage required. Everything is in this case here. Beautiful, compact. It's a bit on the heavy side, but just compact case that includes a USB-C out, allows you to charge. In this case, you'll have your transmitter and your two receiver. And just if you're watching this video, what is a transmitter? A transmitter allows you to input the audio onto this transmitter. The transmitter communicates with the receivers. So right now I'm wearing a receiver. This receiver is going to collect the audio from my vocal cords straight into the receiver, and then transmit the audio onto the transmitter, which feeds it into the video. So that's kind of visual what everything is. There's a lot more to it, but just want to give you a visual. But coming back to the case here, really nice case. There is two transmitter. Right now I'm wearing one, but there's an extra transmitter here. So if you're doing interviews, if you're having a discussion, you can use these transmitters in multiple places. And then it has the adapter. So currently I'm using a camera that requires the lightning port adapter, but you have also the USB-C adapter. So it doesn't matter what recording device you're using, the transmitter will always be adapted to go into that transmitter. Inside there you find all the ports, so you can just drop it in and charge it. And what's nice about this here is on the transmitter, you have a couple more features. So you have a green light here that tells you it's recording, and there is also a red light that tells you it's not recording. You do have the option here to plug in a lavalier mic. So you have the coaxial cable plug in here, or a headphone jack plug in. You do have also the magnetic spot there where you can actually mount a dead cat, and the dead cat is basically this here windshield. It is magnet, which is pretty cool, and what it does, it makes a big difference on how you can reduce the wind noise, and this is going to reduce all the wind noise. So that's something that's really cool about the receivers. Also on the design wise, it does have a very powerful magnet. So the magnet connects to the clip, and this allows you to wear it inside your shirt, or you can use the clip here to just clip it on a different garment that you have on, which is really exciting. It's really small in comparison to let's say my headphones right here. My headphones actually bigger than the receiver. That's how small it is. You can use this mic for podcasts, You can use this mic for pretty much anything that requires audio, and it'll just give you enhanced audio experience, which is what you want in your video. Nothing worse than having a video where the audio is really bad and you can't hear what the person is saying clearly. And that's why these DJI mic is one of the best mic currently on the market. In terms of the receiver has a touch LCD screen, which is pretty powerful. You can go between monologue and stereo, or you can just go between just mono using one receiver. But you can also have the safety on, so there will be a double recording, recording with your features, but a secondary recording which will record at a lower decibel, but also protect you against your first audio did not work. So that safety feature is really important. You can adjust the gain. You can make the decibel higher or lower. The sweet spot is either -6 or +6, depends on your environment, but you can raise your decibel up to +6 to give you the best audio. Always look at your environment to make that decision. But I do think that the DJI mic, hands down, is the best mic on the market. Wireless, portable, has so much functionality compared to the rod mic. And the rod mic is what I used previously. The only challenge with the rod mic, it doesn't have those adapters. It doesn't have that seamless design like the DJI mic does. And it's just a lot of stuff to carry around. So there you go. So hopefully this makes your decision easier. This is my new favorite mic to use for all my videos. All right, so hopefully that helps you make a decision if you're looking for a new audio mic. The DJI mic is one of the best currently in the market. It has everything and anything you're looking for from a mic, and so I highly recommend. Please make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Let me know what mic you're currently using, and if you are interested in upgrading the audio for your content, and let me know if this mic fits your need. That being said, please make sure you turn on that bell notification, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.